I know you enjoyed it, right? Okay. Although to me it was a little bit of rough, but I know you still enjoyed it all the same. So basically all we did was just to pull out that 62514 chord substitution idea we did on the previous video where we're talking about how to play on all keys real easy. So we put out that idea and fused it into the song Wade in the Water, and it's actually on the key of D. So we have 6 2 5 1 4. Okay, let me just put it on the screen, but please, you should visit that video so that you can get it on all keys. But the numbers right here will help you. So it is 6 2 5 1 4. So after we say you understand? It's just like a kind of turnaround that takes us back to the 4. You understand? Remember, it goes from 6 2 5 1, then goes back to the 4. You understand? So, and I didn't just play it all the same every time. So sometimes I flipped it with a different voicing and all that, just to add a kind of variety to, what I'm playing so that it doesn't get boring. So the next time I also did 6 2 5 1 4. Yeah, that's it. 6 2 5 1 4. You understand? So that it just makes it a little bit of interesting so that people don't predict you all that every time. Okay. Then also the last time, that was the third time that I did that turnaround, I even played the same thing, but I kind of created a kind of walk up on my left hand just to make it a little bit of interesting as well. So you understand? Once again, that's it. And you can also do more. You don't have to stick to just what I just showed you. You can do something like, you understand? You can also do, it's still fine. Okay, and please don't get stuck on one key. Remember, we started from key of C last time and we said 6 2 5 1 4, and you can also use my new voicing 6 2 5 1 4. Take it to other keys. 6 2 5 1 4. You understand? 6 2 5 1 4. You can take it different to different keys and all that. You don't have to get stuck with just one key alone. It helps you, gives you a kind of mastery and fluency on how you play on all keys. So thank you so much. I'll be sharing more ideas and tips that will help you grow and build your piano wizardry. I'm not a wizard though. I'm still a learner. Thank you so much and God bless you.